Welcome back to 30 Days to a Bigger You. Yesterday we established the calorie surplus rule. Today we expose why eating anything and everything to hit your numbers actually stops working after a few weeks. Quality is not a luxury. It is the difference between looking bigger and looking soft. Here is the uncomfortable truth: a surplus made of greasy fast food, pastries, and sugary drinks will still make you bigger, but most of that size will be fat, not muscle. A few weeks of dirty bulking and your face softens, your waist expands, and your gym numbers stall because your muscles are not getting the nutrients they actually need. Funny moment, you know that guy who bulked for 3 months and now his arms are smaller than his neck? That guy was me. The problem is that beginners assume any calorie surplus triggers pure muscle growth. In reality, excess calories without proper training and nutrient density are preferentially stored as body fat. Your body is smart. If you flood it with processed nonsense, it stores the excess rather than channeling it into new tissue. BodySpec clinical guidance from 2025 shows that resistance training paired with strategic protein intake can produce body recomposition, simultaneous muscle gain and fat loss. This only works when the surplus is built from quality sources. BetterMe and NASM 2024 reviews confirm that nutrient timing around training is one of the strongest levers we have for directing calories toward muscle rather than adipose tissue. 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily is the threshold where body recomposition becomes realistic rather than wishful thinking. A 2024 meta-analysis by Stokes and colleagues in sports medicine confirmed that protein intakes above this level meaningfully support muscle growth even during calorie manipulation. Step 1. Identify one daily junk food item and replace it with a whole food alternative that still hits your calorie target. Step 2. Whenever you eat a calorie-dense meal, schedule a training session around it so the surplus is directed toward muscle repair. Step 3. Hit your protein target first. Build the rest of your calories around quality carbs and fats after the protein is locked in. The myth claims it does not matter where calories come from if you are in a surplus. The truth is that calorie quality decides whether your body builds muscle or stores fat. The 2024 sports medicine meta-analysis by Stokes and colleagues found that protein quality and resistance training are essential for lean tissue accretion. A surplus built on protein and whole foods outperforms a dirty surplus every time. Today we debunked the myth that any calorie surplus is equal. We learned that 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram daily is the minimal threshold for meaningful muscle growth, and that training modulates where your surplus goes. This has been InfoVital. Like, subscribe, share. Tomorrow, day 3, we explore a frustrating body type that is both skinny and fat at the same time.